Hi, dear friends. I'm Mrs. Swati Tadlani. I'm a retired school principal, and today I would like to share with you what I have done during this lockdown period. Of course, this was a very trying time for everyone, and we just pray the world is healed, each and everyone is fine. But as it was announced, you cannot leave the house during this lockdown period. So I thought of utilizing this time to make some socially useful products out of waste. Now I will share with you some of the things made by me. Now first of all I would share with you this multiple organizer. These multiple organizers, they are made from denim pieces and they are very useful. You can hang them at the entrance of your hall to keep some stationery, or you can put some important bills and all which are misplaced. So many such I have made and I have given it away also. So these are the multiple organizers made from the denim waste. Then I also have made denim bags from the pieces. I've stitched the pieces, joined them, and made them these bags. As you all know now, plastic is banned. So I made these bags. So they are very durable also, and it can be a substitute for your daily purse which you carry to your offices. See, such pieces I've joined them and I've converted into bags. Besides this, then I visited a tailor uh, before the lockdown, and I asked him, what do you do with this waste material which is collected in your big bag there? He was searching from that bag something. So he said, I'll throw it away. I said, that is wrong. Why don't you give it to me? Let me see if I can make it into some use. And it was really such a useful bag which he sent to me through his person. And I could pick out pieces. I was excited and convert them into shopping bags. See these type of shopping bags. You can bring vegetables, grocery in these bags. Lots of such bags I have made. Lots and lots I have made. I cannot show you all. More than 40 bags, 40 such bags. Just join them, put them borders so that it looks beautiful. And no need to feel shy to carry these bags, because if we carry plastic bags, we are harming the environment. So these are the durable bags stitched by me. This can be used as a baby bag, pinky. These are the party type bags from all the waste material. Nothing was purchased by me, only the needle and thread, the sewing material was purchased. And see this, many such bags I have made. Some big, some small, depending on the material available. I have made these bags, and they are really useful. So all these were cloth bags, big and small, can be used as tiffin bag for your office, for the school. So I was very happy when I could convert them, join the pieces and convert them into bags. These are some fancy material pieces were there in between. So I converted into a fancy bag, all joined and made. Now these are the sling bags. See, so many sling bags of different colors stitched by me. Nowadays the girls carry sling bags with a mobile and some key in the sling bag. They just put their mobile and some money. So these are the sling bags, can be carried by the girls, and all these are made from small pieces which were left over, like I can say thrown away pieces. Then besides these sling bags, I also made lots of pouches. Now these are also made out of, see, small pieces joined together. See, this also a pouch, fancy pouch. The back is plain and front is fancy. These are many pouches. Pouches are also very useful now. The one which you buy from market, they tear away very soon or the zip becomes horrible. So this I have to just put the zip because now the zip is exhausted, so I could not end up. Now once the lockdown is over, I will buy zip and I shall put the zips in this. You can keep your mobile, your keys, your money in this, some important iCard or PAN card, anything. So all these small pieces I converted them into pouches. Many such pouches are there in my bag. Then I also made hairbands. See, these are the beautiful hairbands made out of satin and lace pieces. Luckily I had elastic with me, so I could make lot of hairbands for the sweet little girls. They'll be so happy if they receive this from my hands and they can wear it on their beautiful dresses. Besides this, I also made cushion covers. Now cushion covers are also joined two pieces. I hope you can see them. All two pieces joined and converted them into cushion covers. Then some of them are plain. These are also joined and converted. Then there are many which I made just plain, as depends on the material which was there with me. So some I have made of two colors and some of plain material. So all these are the cushion covers made by me during this lockdown period. I think it will be useful to someone or the other who uses it, who is fond of having colorful cushions in their living room. Then these are the satin bags. These are also, see, the material is joined, pieces joined and converted into a lovely handbag, and it is quite durable. It has got a zip also. So these bags are also useful and I really love this material. I love because I put lot of efforts in making this bag. This is one more satin bag made by me. This is also joined. Then I have one more here. These are parallel lines. So all this we can say are useful things made out of waste. Everyday useful things made out of waste. Now I had some big pieces, so I converted them into quilt. Now as the rainy season is approaching, so it is useful to spread yourself inside this and sleep in this quilt. So these are the two quilts I made out of small parallel pieces. Then besides this, now this is very important, as the summer was approaching, so I thought of making scarves. Now I had some cotton material also there in that, so these I converted into scarves. Now these are sun scarves. You have to put them like this, and this is, the front is acting like a face mask, like this. So I have made many such scarves. You must have seen the girls tying dupatta to cover their heads in the hot sun, and also they cover their nose to prevent them from pollution. So this is multi-purpose scarves, scarf plus face mask. Now as the government announced face mask is compulsory, then I started stitching face mask. First the shape of my face mask was like this, and I have stitched many other face masks also with strings, with elastic and all. Now recently I started stitching this type of face mask, which protects your, in which you are comfortable while when you talk also, like this. So many such face masks were stitched by me, and these are made out of small pieces material. Cut them into proper shape and convert them into face mask. I hope you liked all the things made by me. Thank you so much.